Hi everyone, my name's Adria Lau, and today I'm going to be talking about biosolids. A little bit about me first. I'm from the Seattle area where we have two wastewater treatment plants that turn our waste into biosolids. When I was going to the University of Washington, I was a research assistant in a lab that studied the benefits of biosolids, so this is a great way for me to study the process a little bit more. So let's start with a definition. Biosolids are a type of soil that's made from processed sewage and wastewater. Why would we go the trouble of turning our poop into biosolids? Well, they're great for farmers and they're great for forestry. This is because biosolids are more bioavailable than synthetic fertilizers. This means that plants have an easier time absorbing the nutrients in biosolids than synthetic fertilizers do. They also retain more water than traditional fertilizers, meaning that farmers don't have to water their plants as often as they would with traditional methods. They're also cheaper to make than other types of methods of wastewater treatment. So usually we incinerate our waste and put it in a landfill. In this case, we actually benefit in a lot of ways because we can create water, recycled water, and energy, renewable energy, through the process of making them, which is what I'm going to talk about more. So step one is called screening and settling. First, all of the wastewater is taken through a filter where things such as bags, feminine hygiene products, bottles, anything that's not supposed to be in your toilet that ends up there gets filtered out in the first step. Then everything is taken to a gravity tank where water goes up and solids go down. The water is then taken to be filtered more and used in recycled water purposes such as agriculture, and the waste is taken to the next step. The next step is called thermal hydrolysis. Thermal hydrolysis is when the waste is put in these tanks, or tanks like it, and heated and pressurized to 100 degrees Celsius, that's an average, and processed for about 30 minutes. This sanitizes the waste and allows for the sewage to grow more bacteria in it, which is really important for the next step. The next step is called digestion. The bacteria that naturally occurs in our waste goes through a process called anaerobic digestion. This is when the bacteria is able to break down all the pollutants that thermal hydrolysis was unable to. So this means like heavy metals, PCBs, etc., etc., etc. It's also great because anaerobic digestion produces methane, and methane can be collected and used to process the rest of the sewage treatment process. So we gain recycled water and a source of renewable energy through methane. After all of this treatment, the wastewater usually goes to a bunch of different applications and can be used to